Welcome back once again, guys. It's Arbitrage Genius. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make profits trading P2P using two different crypto exchanges, which is Binance and OKX. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that now. So without taking your time, guys, let me proceed. As you guys know, Binance is a popular platform, and the good thing about Binance is you can actually purchase cryptocurrency at lower price compared to other platforms. So take note of that. So I know you guys will be thinking, so how do we make money trading P2P using two different exchanges? Yeah, so the thing is, you buy here on Binance at a lower rate and go straight to OKX and sell at a higher rate. So I will demonstrate it to you guys. So now I'm on my Binance P2P. So what we have to do is select on BTC. We'll be using BTC for this arbitrage opportunity. So once we select BTC and we ensure we are on the buy tab, you come down to this filter right here and ensure that these only show ads from merchants is on tick like this. Then we click on confirm. So now let's refresh the page so that we have the updated price. Yeah, so now as you can see right here, this guy is trading for a maximum of 10,000 naira. Let's scroll up till we see something like 100. Yeah, this guy is a perfect guy. Let's select this guy and let's put in an amount of 200,000 naira. So with 200,000 naira, we'll be getting this amount of BTC, so which is 0.00844. So let's take note of that. So once we've gotten this BTC into our Binance account, what we have to do is come down to our to this page, to our wallet. So once we are now in our wallet, we come to funding and transfer. We transfer from our funding wallet to our sports wallet. So once that is done, when we now have the fund in our sports wallet, then we come right here on BTC. We now have our fund right here on BTC. So once we click on BTC, we click on this option right here which says withdrawal, because we'll be withdrawing our funds from Binance to OKX. So once we click on withdrawal, we select this option, send via crypto network. So let's click on it. Yes, so now the next thing is to go to OKX. If you guys don't have an OKX account, I will urge you guys to register, because this platform is very important and crucial in the arbitrage business. So I need also, if you don't have a Binance account, I will drop the link in the description box, and you guys have to ensure that your accounts are verified. You have to ensure that your accounts are verified before you carry out this arbitrage opportunity. So before I proceed, if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that now. Yeah, so let me proceed. So now this is my OKX dashboard. So what you have to do is click on these assets right here, and notice I'm very fast in this video. I don't want to take your time at all. So once we're now on the assets tab, you click on this BTC right here. So let's click on BTC and we click on deposit crypto, because we are depositing into our OKX account. So we choose this BTC option right here. You have to take note of this. We are selecting this first one. So once we select that, we copy this our wallet address right here by clicking on this. Once it's copied, we go back to Binance. So I'm back to Binance, and if you guys could remember, we received this total amount for 200,000 naira. So now we select the Bitcoin option. You can see there's only a fee of 1.3 USD. So now we click on this. Once we copy our OKX wallet address, we paste it right here, and then we click on withdrawal. So once we click on withdrawal, then we have the fund transferred into our OKX account. Yes, so this is the point where we'll be making money. So once we have our BTC transferred to OKX, we have to create an advertisement to sell. We'll be creating an ad to sell our BTC. So to do that, we click on this option at the top left. So let's click on that, and then you see this P2P trading right here. So let's click on P2P trading. Yes, now we are on our P2P interface, and as you can see, these ads listed by guys right here. I've been repeating this several times. If you go to a P2P exchange and you see an option to buy, it means the owner of the ad created an advertisement to sell. That is why you are having the option to buy. So we have to do something similar to what these guys right here did. So we'll be creating an ad to sell our BTC. So it will appear on the buy tab for people who will buy. So to create an ad, you just have to click on this plus button, and before that you have to have a verified OKX account. OKX verification is very simple and straightforward. You just have to submit your ID. It could be your NIN, voter's card, or international passport. Within 5 minutes you'll be verified. So once we create an ad to sell our BTC, then our ad will be listed with the ads of these guys right here, and you can see these guys are making money. It's 9 transactions with 100% completion rate, 37 transactions, and this other guy can see 1000 transactions. So this is not a joke, guys. So you create your ad and then your ad will be live on this tab. So let's assume we create an ad similar to that of this guy. But before we do that, let's go back to Binance and see the rate at which we bought our BTC. Yeah, so on Binance P2P, we got this amount of BTC, which is equivalent to this. I think the rate has changed. When in the first tutorial, then it was around 220.0 something USDT then, but the rate has dropped a bit now. But that doesn't really matter. That doesn't affect. We have to consider the transaction fee of 1.3%. So we'll be having around 217 point something. Let's just round it up to 217 USDT. Now let's go back to OKX. Now we are back on OKX. Let's assume we create an ad similar to that of this guy right here. So, and someone comes right here and tries to buy BTC from us. You know that we are selling our BTC. We created an ad to sell, so that's why it appears as buy right here. So someone wants to buy BTC from us. So let's assume the person clicks on our ad just like this and sell this amount of BTC to us, which we got on Binance. So we'll be getting a total of 250,000 naira, 668 naira. And if you guys could remember, our capital was 200,000 naira, just 200,000 naira. So as you can see, this is a profit of over 50,000 naira. So this is not a joke, guys. These guys that you see their ads right here, this is what they've been doing. They will buy on Binance at lower rates and come right here on OKX to sell at higher rates to make profits. You guys can also do something similar to that to make money. So with just a capital of 200,000 naira, you'll be making a profit of 50,000 plus. So let's consider the transaction fee of around 1,200 naira. You can see the transaction fee is insignificant. So even with the transaction fee, we'll be making around 48,900 naira, very close to 50,000 naira for just a capital of 200,000 naira. So it's as simple as this. You can also start doing this, guys. But before you start doing this, you have to ensure your Binance account and OKX accounts are verified. It's very important. So that's it, as simple as that. So if you guys find value in this video, kindly click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, because that's what motivates me to keep creating more content and update videos for you guys. So thank you once again, and if you guys have anything that you don't understand, kindly reach out to me in the comment section. So thank you and bye.